If you're celebrating the Supreme Court ruling on the abortion pill, no offense, I'm just here to tell you, you are really behind the times when it comes to understanding Project 2025 and their strategy. This ruling is very dangerous. This ruling propels Project 2025 ahead by light years. The Supreme Court did not rule that the abortion pill gets to remain legal. Not at all. They ruled that the plaintiff had no standing, lacked standing. But there's a reason why Mr. Project 2025 Justice Kavanaugh drafted the ruling, because the devil is in the details. In his ruling, he said the plaintiffs could take this issue directly to the president or the head of the FDA to make the decision if the abortion pill gets to remain legal or not. Why is that dangerous? What does that have to do with Project 2025, you ask? One of the most important strategies of Project 2025 is to replace every department head within every department of the government with a Project 2025 loyalist, with an evangelical. We're talking about Department of Transportation, Department of Commerce, Department of Education, FDA, CDC, Department of Commerce. It goes on and on and on and on. Not have appointments with engineers and scientists and leaders and those with experience. No. Project 2025 evangelical fucking loyalists. Trump read the script and came right out and said he's going to be appointing loyalists to the heads of all these departments, so that if he wins or a Republican in the future wins, they can ban the abortion pill. But it doesn't stop there. This ruling applies to everything. So, part of Project 2025's mission is to dismantle public schools. They want every child to be raised as Christians in Christian schools or homeschools with Christian moms, and they want tax dollars to be sent to these schools. So the head of Trump's Department of Education can literally make this law. And then we have everybody across the country filing a lawsuit. Right? Right. This violates our rights. You can't do this to public schools. And the cases are not going to get very far at all, because now we have a Supreme Court ruling that says, that is the power of these department heads and the president. The Supreme Court already made the ruling. This is extremely dangerous. You need to know what this really means. I am going to add that the Republicans also very strategically made sure that the Supreme Court evangelical justices did not make a ruling to ban the pill now. We're right before a critical election. They can't afford to anger any more women for the reproductive rights, body autonomy that they have already taken away. They're kicking the can down the road, waiting for Trump to be elected. And then the head of the FDA, some pastor from somewhere, some Baptist from somewhere, you name it, makes it law that it is now banned. I hope I've caught you all up, but this is exactly why Project 2025 is so dangerous. I'm so glad the Democrats are actually putting in a plan to stop Project 2025, but they are so fucking late to the game. And all the news media covering this Supreme Court ruling, they're behind the game too.